Here I have DOOGEE S95 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the volume or sound section, and here I have phone ringtone. You can select none of these ringtones, you can select one of these pre-installed ones. You can add your own ringtone by selecting audio file from your phone's memory if you have one, but I'm just going to select one of these pre-installed ones. I like this one the most. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.